How to enable wireless power sharing on a Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device. You can use the wireless power sharing feature to charge your Samsung device with another device. So make sure this feature is enabled on your device. To enable it, open the app drawer on a Samsung device, tap the settings app, scroll down up to battery, tap the battery option on a Samsung device. Now here you can see the different battery option: power saving, background limit, battery protection. Scroll down. Here you can find the feature wireless power sharing option on your Samsung device. You can also quickly search on the search setting. Tap on it. Now you can see by default toggle off the option. Put the center of your phone back to back with another device. Here you can see the animation of how to put your phone with another device to wireless charge. If you have trouble connecting or charging, remove your cover from your device. So toggle on the this option to quickly charge your device from one device to another. Also, you can see wireless power sharing will stop when you make a call, receive a call, or use the camera. Here you can set the battery limit also. Charging will stop when your phone reaches the battery percentage. So here you can limit to set the limits. First of all, toggle off this option. Tap the battery limit. Here you can set the battery limit. You want to automatically stop using wireless power sharing feature on a device. By default set the 30%. Here we set 35%, 40%. Tap on OK. Now battery limit set 40 and it will automatically stop when your Samsung S24 Ultra is the battery percentage you set. Now toggle on it to use this feature. That's it. If you like it, share it.